James Webb Space Telescope captured stunning images of multiple colliding galaxies. In December 2025, NASA released a new image that combines observations from the James Webb Space Telescope and the Chandra X-ray Observatory of two spiral galaxies on a cosmic collision course, revealing details of intense star formation and structural changes, such as the interactions in NGC 2207 and IC 2163, the aftermath in the Cartwheel Galaxy. The pair are located some 120 million light-years from Earth. The larger galaxy, NGC 2207, is slowly stretching and stripping the smaller of the pair. Together, they are joined in a slow, gravitational dance. That will, billions of years from now, end in their merger into a single galaxy.